explore the wonders of Ann Arbor's natural world at the Ann Arbor Nature Museum. Discover the beauty of local flora and fauna, learn about the area's unique ecosystems, and engage in interactive exhibits that inspire a deeper appreciation for our environment. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or simply curious about the natural world, the Ann Arbor Nature Museum offers an educational and immersive experience for all ages. Plan your visit today to connect with the beauty of nature in Ann Arbor. Ann Arbor, Michigan, is a vibrant and culturally diverse city located in the southeastern part of the state. Education hub. Ann Arbor is perhaps best known as the home of the University of Michigan, a prestigious institution with a rich history and a significant influence on the city's culture and economy. Cultural center, the city boasts a thriving arts and culture scene, with numerous theaters, museums, and galleries. The Ann Arbor Art Fair, held annually, is one of the largest outdoor art fairs in the nation. Natural beauty. Nature lovers will appreciate the city's commitment to green spaces. The Huron River, parks, and trails offer opportunities for outdoor activities, from hiking and biking to kayaking. Historical significance. The city has a rich historical background, with well-preserved historic districts and landmarks. The Carytown Market and Shops is a great place to explore and learn about Ann Arbor's past. The University of Michigan Museum of Natural History, located in Ann Arbor, Michigan, is a captivating and educational institution that provides visitors with a deep understanding of natural history and the world around us. Michigan was home to many prehistoric animals such as mastodons, whales, walruses, and more. Journey through 4 billion years of life on Earth to learn how the first organisms changed our world and how evolution connects all living things. Study specimens and dig through the fossil record while exploring the 5 major extinctions and how life persisted through them all. North America's only marsupial is very useful in urban environments. Possums eat cockroaches, beetles, slugs, and ticks, helping keep pests at bay.
That's a raccoon tail.
The Kirtland's warbler nests primarily in Michigan jack pine stands every summer. 2 unusually complete mastodon skeletons, a male and a female, both discovered and excavated with help from scientists within a few hours' drive from Ann Arbor. What's more, our On the Trail of Mastodons exhibit is the only place in the world where you can see a male and female mastodon skeleton side by side and see a mastodon skeleton paired with a mastodon trackway. These footprints were cast from a trail left by a mastodon near Saline, Michigan. This is the only mastodon trackway ever found. Impressive in their own right, the skeletons of these ocean giants are also evidence of one of evolution's biggest surprises. Their ancestors lived on land. Journey through nearly 4 billion years of life on Earth to discover how some of the earliest organisms changed our world and how evolution connects all living things. study real specimens, and dig deep through the fossil record, while exploring the 5 major extinctions and how life persisted through them all. Meet Majungasaurus, a late Cretaceous dinosaur from the Mahajanga province of Madagascar and the largest predator of its environment.
You're probably used to like buddies pizza.
Discovered Dalacoran chops, a short-necked plesiosaur of the Cretaceous period that lived in the shallow seas covering the land that is now Wyoming and Kansas. Explore 4.5 billion years of history by thinking of geologic time as a single year and seeing when some of Earth's most important events took place. Step into the Cenozoic era and learn why some scientists think we are currently experiencing a 6th mass extinction. Come face to face with Australopithecus sediba, a life-size sculptural reconstruction of an extinct human relative that lived in southern Africa about 2 million years ago. The Earth Science Gallery is a lot more than rocks. Learn how our planet formed, how its atmosphere, water, and life forms changed it over time, and what's going on below its surface. Then see and touch the wide range of specimens in our collection of rocks, minerals, and crystals. People and the Planet investigates the ways in which we change the planet and the planet changes us, for better or worse. The exhibit is made up of pods, or theme areas, that focus on the different ways this occurs, from natural resources to biodiversity. Algae and the Climate Crisis. Algae and the Climate Crisis features the research of scientist Dr. Anthony Vecchiarelli, assistant professor in the Department of Molecular, Cellular, and Developmental Biology, who with his lab studies cyanobacterial photosynthesis. Visit the pod to learn how cyanobacteria can be both extremely harmful to our environment, algal blooms, but also extremely efficient at processing carbon dioxide and turning it into energy. Explore the interactive carboxysome structures to find out what makes them so good at removing CO2 from our atmosphere. This exhibit is made possible by the National Science Foundation and the research of Dr. Anthony Vecchiarelli and his lab. Carbon capture objects donated via the Global CO2 Initiative. Meet TAM, our transparent anatomical model. You can look inside her and see the systems that make our bodies work. So much of the world around us is too small to see with our eyes or to even know it's there. Under the microscope explores the building blocks of life, which elements are needed for life to exist, and how different types of cells work together to make up the human body. Explore the connections between all living things with our new, interactive, multimedia tree of life exhibit.
That's all for today. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Catch you later.